Ikeja, Lagos. So many of my clients have been asking me concerning this very property. So I told them I'm coming here today, being Saturday, to do the video. So come and take a plot here. You can see the beach, and we have plots of land behind that you can invest on. So this property, let me give you an idea of what you can use it for. Beach resort, you can use it for residential, you can use it for short lets, because so many people travel all the way to Caribbean countries for vacation. So you can use them for a vacation. You can even start something like that. You bring Caribbean country down to Nigeria. So there are so many things you can do with this very property. You can invest in. Before the end of this year, this property will be 500% increase. So just call me for more information concerning Ocean View Estate. Thank you.